Head go get stool over here. And just go where you feel comfortable. While we get stool. Does that feel okay? Good. What I'm going to do, is put your heels against the wall, hips, shoulders, and head. How does that feel?
Awkward.
Fantastic. I love awkward. It's like being on a first date or something, I don't know. But allows your body to reset. We have walls in Upland. You have to pay a lot of money to get permits, right? So they make the walls pretty straight. We use this to reset your posture over time with your heels, hip, shoulder, and head to hold your posture for about 30 seconds at home, and now your body can reset your standing posture. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Okay? That one, by doing that, your body can reset. So then take a step forward. The weight on your heels. That's good standing posture off the wall. Magic. Does that feel weird? Awkward?
Yeah, it does.
Fantastic. Good. You want to feel weird awkward when you come off the wall? Weight on your heels allows now to reset everything back here. So at that point, your body has to lean back more here, so it feels like it's falling back. Because we're not going to fall back every go. We have to hold ourselves up. These muscles fire, these muscles fire, these muscles fire to hold our body from falling forward. Falling backwards, sorry.
Yeah.
Does that feel weird?
Yeah.
Yes, love it. Thank you for volunteering. Grab a seat.